Hey, it's Dan with Monday.com. Archiving content is the perfect way to tidy things up while keeping them accessible for future use. Let me show you how. With just a few clicks, archive anything from boards and work docs down to items or sub-items. You can even use powerful automations to keep projects nice and lean without lifting a finger. For example, regularly reduce clutter by archiving items 30 days after a deadline arrives and only if status is marked complete. How cool is that? Restoring archives is just as easy. For boards and work docs, click your profile picture, select Archive, and then Restore. For groups or items within a board, access the Archive section in the board menu here. Need help finding something in the archives? Check out Search Everything. With Search Everything, check this box to include archives in your results. You can also click here to quickly skim through archived boards. Even better, you can open any board and unarchive it right from the screen. Talk about a time saver. And that's it. Click here for more quick tips and all things Monday.com.